Hi friends, this video shows how to clean the soda maker. First we need to open it. Just press here. See, it has opened. Then we need to remove the PET bottle. So this is the PET bottle. This PET bottle we need to rotate or turn to left side. That way we can remove the PET bottle. Just turn to left side and remove the PET bottle like this. Okay, then we can clean the inside with some cloth. We can clean it. Then this part also we can clean. So if you want to clean the back side, let me close this, then rotate it. So here you can see two buttons, one in the left side, another one in the right side. Just press these two buttons together, then pull. That way we can remove the back cover. Like this. Just press and pull. Then if you want to remove this cylinder, we need to turn this cylinder to left side. Just turn this cylinder to left side. Then remove it like this. Then we can clean the back side here with some cloth. So let me show the inside. So inside, so here we cannot remove this part, so it will be difficult to clean here. We can clean this part with some cloth. Then the bottom side, this we cannot remove, but we can clean it with some cloth. So this way we can clean the soda maker. So please try this.